My team led the charge of moving Miniclip into the cloud. One of the key tools that we used was New Relic, especially in the migration. New Relic allowed us to identify any issues as we moved into the cloud and resolve those issues rather quickly. One of the biggest things in our industry is that when you deploy a game, you necessarily don't know how big the game will be. And having a data center and physical hardware that you need to purchase can become quite expensive. By moving into the cloud, we're able to set up the infrastructure and deploy a game that's a hot game, and then as it cools down, we'll be able to right-size that infrastructure and save on those costs.
When we moved into the cloud, it was critical for us to have uptime and availability during the cloud migration, moving your whole infrastructure into a brand new way of running it, and you need to keep it up, and you need to know when problems are happening.
When we were doing that transition, we definitely made the most of getting the server admin guys to get New Relic installed by default. We finally made the switch, and we now solely use New Relic. The way New Relic seems to work for us is it didn't really matter what server it was on, it was still giving us the same kind of information, whether it was based on the application, whether that was like throughput, but we're also getting to use some more of the plugins as well, which is great, because it means everything's in one place still, and we can see all the statistics from that there.
New Relic was able to give us the dashboards to keep everything on one screen where we could say, yeah, there's a problem, stop, rewind.
New Relic told us we deployed a database server that was under capacity for the traffic it was getting. It provided a big assist in the migration to the cloud.
Being in the cloud was key, and New Relic telling us that our services started deprecating allowed us to pull the trigger and expand our capacity, thus provide a better service for our users. Going to the cloud meant you can just throw it up in one data center and it spreads on its own. So it was like wildfire. It was just perfect for us.